Welcome to Sudoku. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm doing the New York Times Hard Sudoku for Monday, June 16th, 2025. All right, let's get started. The first, oh my God, so sorry. The first thing I see is in this box. The only cell the 2 can go in is here. This column needs a 1, 3, and a 4. The 1, 3, and 4 are all in this box. So that leaves this cell, and this cell for the 1, 3, 4. So we'll have 3, 4, 1, 3, and 1, 3, 4, which means these two cells are 5 and 6. 5 is in this row, so 6 will go here and the 5 here. Then we'd need 7 and 9 in this box. 9's in this column, so 7 will go here and 9 here. All right, so now if this is 1, 3, 4, then these three cells have to be 5, 6, 7. So this is 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 7. All right. What else do we have? Two goes here or here. 2 goes here or here. 7 goes here or here. 9 goes here or here in this box for there to be a 9 in this row. Okay, so in order for there to be a 9 in this row, 9 has to go here or here in this box, which means 9 can't go here or here. 9 is in these two rows, so it can't go here or here, and 9 is in this row, so in this column, the only cell the 9 can go in is here. And now in this box, the 9 has to go here, and then in this box, the 9 has to go here. Okay. So now in this row, the only cell the 2 can go in is here, and then we'll have 1 and 8 here and here. 1's in this column, so the 8 will go here and the 1 here. Okay. So now that this 2 is here, over in this box, the only cell the 2 can go in is here. And now in this box, 2's got to go here. And then in this box, 2 will have to go here. And that is all the 2's. Okay. In this row, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. And then we'd still need 3, 4, 6, 8. So this would be 3, 4, 6, 3, 6, 3, 4, 8, and 3, 6, 8. In this column, though, the only cell the 8 can go in is here. And now then in this row, the only cell the 4 can go in is here. And then the 3 and the 6 will go here and here. So now if we look at this column, we need a 5, but there's a 5 in this row and a 5 in this row, so the 5 will go here. So then this box would be 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, and 3, 4. So 7 goes here or here in this box for there to be a 7 in this column. And 7 goes here or here in this box for there to be a 7 in this row. One goes here or here. Trying to see. So this is 3, 6, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 7, 8, 3, 6, 7, 8. Oh, no. This box would be, we would need a 3, 4, 5, 7. So this would be 3, 4, 5, because again, 7 goes here or here in this box. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And this was 3, 4. And this is 5, 6. What's this column? This column would need 4, 5, 6, 8. So this was 5, 6. This would be 5, 8, 4, 6, 8, and 4, 5, 6, 8. So the 4 and the 8 go somewhere here in this box, and then the 1 and the 5 then would have to go. No, the 1, oh, in this box, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. Okay. So then this column would need 3, 5, 6, 7. So this would be 3, 6, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, and 3. Or no, the 3 will have to go here or here because 3 goes somewhere here. Okay, so it would be 6, 7. Nope. The 3, this would be 3, 6. Okay, because the 5 is in the row and the 7's in the column, and this would be 3, 5. Okay, so now that we know this cell is 3 or 6, over here in this box, this cell also had to be 3 or 6. So in this row, the 3 and the 6 will go here or here, and we would still need 4, 7, 8 in this row. So this cell would be 4, 8, 4, 7, 8, and 7, 8. Hmm. And this column, hmm, I'm a little stuck. So 3 and 6 here and here, and then this was 4, 7, 8, or no, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, and 4, 8. Let's look back at this column again. We need 3, 5, 6, 7. So this was 3, 6, 3, 5, 5, 7, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 7. And this would be 1, 3, 4. Let's look at this column maybe. I don't know. This column needs 1, 3, 4, 7, 8. So this would be 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 8, 3, 4, 7, 8. Nope, this was 4, 7, 8, because again, 3 and 6 here and here. So 4, 7, 8, 3, 4, 8, and 3, 7. This was 3 or 6, 3, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4. Hmm, I'm stuck. 7 goes here or here. Let's look at this column. Maybe we need 35679. So this would be 35679, 357. Oh, that's interesting. I kind of feel like there could be something. 357. I'll just remember that for a second. 357. 3579, 356, and 36. Let's go back here. This was 357. This cell is 35345. And this cell was 57. Because the 8 and the 4 can't go here. Or the 1. That doesn't help though, because these two cells are the only ones where that does that. Well, 8 goes here or here in this box, but that doesn't help. 1 goes here or here. 3 goes really anywhere. 5, 6, 7 really anywhere. 8 here or here, and 9 here or here. And in this row, 9 goes here or here. So it's 5 or 6. So this 3 or 7. And this cell is 1, 3, 7. And this cell is 1, 3. I might have found something, right? Okay, this cell has to be 1 or 3. This cell has to be 1, 3, 7. And this cell is 3 or 7. So the 1, the 3, and the 7 go here, here, and here. Yeah, because the 5 and the 6 are in this column, and this column. Yeah, so 5 and 6 go here and here in this row. So if this cell has to be a 5 or a 6, then in this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here. And again, that means 5 and 6 go here and here. Great. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let's see. Now that this 7's here, what does that tell us? This row would be 1, 3, 4, 5, 8. So this was 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 4, or 3, 5, and 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's go back to this. The 5 and the 6 are in this column, and this column. So 5 and 6 here and here. And then it was 1, 3, 1, 3, 7, and 3, 7. Okay. 3 goes here or here. I have a feeling something similar that I'm not seeing yet. 7 can't go across here, so now this is just 3 or 5. Okay, let's look at this column. This cell has to be a 3 or a 5. And this cell also has to be a 3 or a 5. Okay, so in this column, 3 and 5 have to go here and here. So if the 3 goes in this cell or this cell, then 3 can't go here. That'll have to be 6, and 3 will go here. So again, 3 and 5 here and here, that'll leave 7 and 9 here and here. Okay. So now that this 6 is here, 6 goes here or here. All right, this column needs 3, 4, 7. 3 and 7 are in this box, so 4 will go here, 3 and 7 here and here. So this cell is going to have to be the 6. So then in this box, 6 will go here, and then we'll have 3, 7, 8. So 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, and 3, 8. This was actually 3 or 7 though, because in this column, the 6 will have to go here, and then the 5 will have to go here, and the 3 here. Okay. So again, this is 3 and 7 here and here. So 5 and 4 go here and here. These 3 cells have to be 4, 6, 8. 6 is in this row and this row, so 6 goes here. 4 is in this row, so 4 here, 8 here. This is the 5 to finish this column. So jump over to this box. Whoops. 5 goes here and 4 here. Back over to this box, so 4 will have to go here, 1 here, and 3 here. And then we'll have 3 and 7. These two cells are going to be 5 and 7 to finish this row. 5's in this column, so 7 here, 5 here. These two cells are 6 and 9. 6 is in this column, so 9, 6. And then we'll have 1, 3, 8. 1 and 8 are in this column, so 3 goes here. 1's in this column, so that'll be the 8 and the 1 here. And now these two cells have to be 5 and 7. 7's in this row, so 5 here, 7 here. Now that we put this 7 here, 7's in this row, so 7 will go here. And then this is the 8 to finish this row. This row needs a 3 and a 9. 9 is in this column, so 3 goes here and 9 here. This is 8 to finish this box. These two cells have to be 3 or 4. 4 is in this column, so 3, 4, and then finally we have 3 and 7. 17 minutes and 51 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.